This is your captain, Haridi Mohammed, welcoming both the seated and the standing passengers on board of Somali Air. We apologize for the 4 days delay in taking off. It was because I had to put the overtime in the Isli Murad depot. This flight 717 to Mogadishu Airport, landing there is not guaranteed at all, but we will end up somewhere in Somali. And if luck is in our favor, we might even landing in your village. It is with this I announce that starting this year, over 30% of our passengers have reached their destination. If our engines are too noisy for you, on a passenger request, we can arrange to turn them off in order to make sure you are feeling most comfortable. We regret to inform you that today's in-flight movie will not be shown as we forgot to record it from the television. However, for our movie buffs, we will be flying next to Kenya Airways, where this movie will be visible from the right side of cabin window. Kindly be seated, keep your seat in an upright position for takeoff, and fasten your seatbelt. For those of you who cannot find the seatbelt, kindly fasten your own belt to the arm of your seat. And for those who you can't find the seat, do not hesitate to get in touch with a stewardess who will explain how to fasten yourself to your suitcase. Thank you for all choosing Somali Air to fly for the first and its last time. I wish you a nice flight with Somali Air. Regards, Captain.
Captain, esta yo mira.